In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay less in Binance futures fees. If you're an active trader, you know that fees can add up quickly and impact your overall profitability. That's why understanding and implementing strategies to reduce these fees can make a significant difference. Let's dive right in. One of the simplest methods to save on fees is to use Binance Coin, or BNB, to pay them. By holding BNB in your futures wallet and using it to cover your trading fees, you automatically receive a 10% discount. This is a straightforward way to immediately reduce your expenses, especially if you're already holding BNB. To ensure this is set up correctly, check your account settings and enable the option to pay fees with BNB. Another effective strategy to lower your fees is to prioritize placing maker or limit orders over taker or market orders whenever possible. Now you might ask, what's the difference? Well, maker orders add to the liquidity of the order book. In simple terms, you're providing others the opportunity to trade with your orders, but these don't execute immediately. On the other hand, taker orders remove liquidity since they execute right away at the market price. The fees for maker orders are generally lower, which translates into savings over time. Therefore, when trading, consider setting limit orders to take advantage of the reduced fees. For those of you who trade frequently and in higher volumes, aiming to become a VIP can lead to even greater fee discounts. Binance offers different VIP levels, and with each increase in level, your fees decrease. Now, how do you climb the VIP ladder? Firstly, you need to trade more over a 30-day period, focusing specifically on increasing your futures trading volume. Secondly, maintaining a certain average amount of BNB in your account is crucial. Depending on your focus, this amount might need to be in your futures or spot wallet. As you reach higher VIP tiers, you'll notice a tangible reduction in the fees you're paying, further boosting your profitability. To summarize, by using BNB to pay your fees, prioritizing maker orders over taker orders, and working towards becoming a higher-level VIP member, you can significantly reduce the fees on your Binance futures trading. These strategies are simple to implement but can lead to substantial savings over time. Remember, the key to successful trading lies in maximizing your profits while minimizing unnecessary costs, and keeping an eye on your fees is a crucial part of that process. So take these tips, apply them to your trading routine, and watch as you optimize your expenses. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.